Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Congratulations, Deepthi. I am so proud of you. When I was preparing you for interview on Unacademy, I told you that you are definitely going to make it because I saw the basic ingredients of a judge in you. But of course, now this is your forum today, Judge Sahiba. And so,
thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for all the motivation, for all the teaching. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, sir.
thank you. Beta, let us now learn that how did you crack? How did you prepare for your judiciary?
Okay. Sir, initially I took admission in a coaching in Delhi.
Okay.
But then lockdown in 2019, I started preparing for judiciary.
Okay.
Then in 2020, COVID came and I had to come back to my hometown, that is Lucknow. So I would not like to name the coaching, but they didn't provide me stuff, no online classes, nothing was there, sir. So till July 2020, I was sitting idle only. I thought that maybe someday my coaching will open someday. But nothing happened. Even Unacademy was not there. It came in 2021, Judiciary. So I started preparing for it on my own. I read the Bare Acts. I referred to your videos. Some few videos I found on YouTube. That's it. Other teachers' YouTube videos, and I cleared my concepts through it. And after that, sir, MP was my target since the start only, and I gave preliminary examination. And I think when I was preparing for my when I gave the exam, after that only Unacademy Judiciary came in 2021 March, was near about February or March.
Yes.
Then I joined Unacademy, and then join तो सर मैंने कर लिया था, but then I got to know कि Anil Khanna sir is coming in June 2021. तो फिर सर सब्सक्रिप्शन तब मैंने लिया कि then I'll join your classes. And sir, it is not about कि I want to butter you or something like that, but literally sir, मैंने आपका नाम सुना था. I was in Delhi and believe me, coaching सभी worth नहीं है. I don't want anybody to go to coaching to Delhi. And Unacademy जब आया and sir you were coming, so sir मैंने इसीलिए लिया सब्सक्रिप्शन that I'll join your batch. And मैंने आपका नाम सर पहले भी सुना था. My few of my friends are based in Chandigarh. They joined your academy also. तो सर वहाँ से मेरे को पता था. Then but when you came sir in 2021 June में, तब results came out and I couldn't continue your classes because I had to prepare for mains. And सर उसके बाद अनअकैडमी ने मेरी बहुत इस तरह से हेल्प करी कि सर जो टेस्ट होता था ना, लाइव टेस्ट, आई थिंक सर वो मेरे लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल थे, क्योंकि मैं वहाँ पे पूरे दिन आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट मैं टेस्ट जब भी ऐसे प्री के बाद मेंस के लिए मैं प्रिपेयर कर रही थी, तो जब भी जो फ्री टाइम होता था, या तो आई वुड वॉच योर रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स और जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट्स मेरे क्लियर नहीं होते थे उसके लिए मैं टॉपिक सर्च करती थी आपका जा करके कि अगर आपने पढ़ाया हो तो मैं वो क्लियर कर लूँ, या फिर सर टेस्ट ने तो मेरी बहुत हेल्प करी है. एंड सर इस तरह से ही मैंने अपना मतलब मेंस जब आया तो सर एज आई टोल्ड अर्लियर कि माय कोचिंग वाज ऑफ नॉट ऑफ एनी हेल्प. एंड सर अनअकैडमी वालों को भी मैंने बोला था कि सर आप पहले क्यों नहीं आए, आप इतना लेट आए 2020 जो लॉकडाउन था, ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स वर सिटिंग एंड बट स्टिल सर नेवर टू लेट. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को फायदा होगा इससे अनअकैडमी से. एंड सर मेंस के टाइम पे आई वुड जस्ट से कि सर मेरे बाल झड़ रहे थे बिकॉज ऑफ स्ट्रेस, टेंशन.
अच्छा.
एंड सर रास्ता मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा था बिकॉज सर आपने बस ज्वाइन किया था जून में एंड मैंने आपकी क्लासेस नहीं ज्वाइन किए थे बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट सर, वो मैं डिलेमा वाले उसमें चली गई थी कि मैं मतलब क्या करूं, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं मेंस की तैयारी कैसे करूं. नो टीचर टू गाइड मी. अनअकैडमी पे भी सर मैंने किसी टीचर से पर्सनली कनेक्ट नहीं किया क्योंकि बिकॉज आई ज्वाइंड इट फॉर यू ओनली. एंड सर वो सारी चीजों के चक्कर में जब देन सर थोड़ा सा मैंने इधर उधर सर्च किया, जो भी था अपनी सारी एनर्जी सारा सब अपने लगाया, पढ़ाई की, पूरे दिन रात बैठ करके सारी चीजें करी. एंड मेंस के टाइम पे सर ज्यादा मेरे को वो हुआ था, थोड़ा सा टेंशन और स्ट्रेस लेवल्स वर हाई. बट आफ्टर में सर फाइनली मेरा मौका हुआ, आपसे मैंने लाइव बात करी जो कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. सर यू मोटिवेटेड मी टू द बेस्ट एंड मॉक इंटरव्यूज थे मेरे, वो बहुत अच्छे थे. जो स्पेशली सर मॉक में सबसे ज्यादा होता है कि मोटिवेशन अगर टीचर कर दे तो बहुत हेल्पफुल होता है सर. यू
You
मोटिवेटेड मी
believe that
रियली.
Unacademy's mock interviews help the students a lot.
यस सर डेफिनेटली सर. डेफिनेटली मेरे को मोटिवेशन मिली आपने जिस तरह से मुझे गाइड किया. इवन दो योर वीडियो केम ऑन इंटरव्यू गाइडेंस आई वॉच्ड इट. सो सर बहुत अच्छी चीजें आपने बोली थी कि स्टार्टिंग से ही वहां से कैसे आना है कैसे बैठना है. मैंने जो आपने मेरे को तरीका बताया था ऐसे वही मैंने फॉलो किया है सर. सारी चीजें जो आपने बोली थी इंटरव्यू के लिए वो सब मैंने सर फॉलो किया. थैंक्स टू यू.
How did you prepare for your languages?
Sir, I just purchased a few books and I just read them. English and Hindi translation books I just purchased. English is fine, but Hindi was not at all good. So, sir,
Oh,
translation ki books ke se I studied on my own. So,
okay, what happened in your interview? Let us know. That's an interesting part.
yes, sir. Interview was very good, sir. The panel was very good. There were 2 male judges and 1 female judge. एंड सर जो एटमॉस्फेयर उन्होंने क्रिएट किया था वो बहुत ही फ्रेंडली एटमॉस्फेयर था. एंड सर सिंस आई वाज फ्रॉम लखनऊ तो मुझसे लखनऊ से एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था अबाउट
When I
द
told
नमाज.
you that they are going to ask
यस
you like now.
सर.
Then what did they ask you?
देन सर मेरी अभिरुचियां उसमें एक भरना था फॉर्म में तो आई मेंशन अबाउट माय स्पोर्ट्स. तो सर उन्होंने मुझसे वो सारी चीज पूछी थी स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में. देन दे आस्क्ड अबाउट माय इंटर्नशिप्स एंड देन सर मुझसे लॉ बेस्ड एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछा था जिसमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस थे.
अच्छा.
आईपीसी. यस सर
Oh,
आईपीसी का सेक्शन
IPC.
70. यस सर सेक्शन 71 ऑफ आईपीसी एंड
Okay.
yes sir 71 of IPC then section 338 of IPC उसी में लिंक 279 of IPC. ये सारे सर वो
Interlink हो
एग्जाम्पल.
गए.
यस सर
Right.
इंटरलिंक होके पूरा इसी पे था. एंड देन सर बेयर एक्ट रीडिंग.
Bare act reading.
यस सर.
In the sense, what did they make you read?
Sir, section 71 I told them, but then they gave one example. This was a section 338 of IPC was there and I couldn't answer it. So they asked me to open section 338. Bare acts were kept in front of us and they said that open section 338 of IPC and read it. So I think they just wanted to know how we read bare acts. So
Right.
I just read 338 of IPC.
Okay. And how long did the interview take place?
So 20 to 25 minutes.
Acha, you 25 minutes. That was long.
Yes.
Okay. What would be your advice to the judicial aspirants? बहुत सारे बच्चे dream रखते हैं judge बनने का. You have been the lucky one by the dint of your hard work. You're a very intelligent person. You're a very balanced person. I know you now. I've been your teacher. So I feel that your balance of mind, your hard work, your intelligence, your basically tenacity, you don't give up. I noticed one thing when I was preparing you. आप तब भी मुझे बहुत एक tenacity थी आपने कि सर मैं बनूंगी judge. And that was what always, I saw that streak in you. So you have achieved at least what you always desired. What will be your advice to those people who have these dreams of becoming a judge? I'm teaching 4,000 students in Unacademy now. My batch is about 4,000 strong. All of them have stars in their eyes. They all want to become judges. What will be your advice to you? Because I think you are the best person to guide them right now.
So my advice would be, first of all, never give up. Never give up. Patience, perseverance, all these things, frustrations, avoid frustrations, be calm, be patient, and never, never, never give up. Be positive, keep positive attitude. You can watch motivational videos, listen to motivational audios, and just stay focused. Determination. कोई भी आई थिंक सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट से दूर होकर के फोन को दूर रख करके यू जस्ट हैव टू फोकस ऑन योर टारगेट एंड सिंस एन अकेडमी इज देयर मेक द बेस्ट यूज आउट ऑफ इट बिकॉज आई हैव रियलाइज्ड इट कि मेरे टाइम पे व्हेन आई वाज प्रिपेयरिंग बिकॉज विदाउट कोचिंग नो वन कैन प्रिपेयर फुल्ली. Coaching is required, and sir, I think Unacademy is the best platform for all the aspirants because variety of teachers are there, variety of teachers, variety of subjects. Whatever you want to study, you can just check it out. Live test is there, and sir, believe me, when I used to give a live test, it's a competitive feeling आती है कि sir नहीं हमको सबसे पहले आंसर करना है, top 10 रैंकिंग में मुझे आना है. तो सर वो सारी चीजें बहुत हेल्प करती है, and I want each and everyone to make the best use out of it. Unacademy sir बहुत help कर रहा है sir. अभी they have started mains preparation के लिए also. I think when Haryana was near, तो mains के preparation के लिए they also started judgment writing classes have started, which is very important for the students. So sir, धीरे धीरे slowly Unacademy is giving each and everything to the students. So
Right.
now it is up to you that you have to grab this opportunity and make the best use out of it. That's it.
Okay. And your parents must be very, very proud of you, as we are. The Unacademy team is very proud of you that you were our student. And we wish you all the very best for your career and for your life. And I, as your teacher, I bless you that you reach
Sir.
the pinnacles of success. God bless you, beta,
Thank you, sir.
and do well. Always please remember, now you become a judge.
Sir.
Don't fall in any traps. You have
Yes,
to
sir.
you have to be balanced. You have to follow the rule of law. And most importantly, our main aspect is the Constitution. And we must never go as a judge. You know, hundreds and thousands of people will look up to your chair now. And now it is your duty as an Indian to give the best possible justice to everybody. Thank you. God bless you always, always.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks to Unacademy. Thanks to you, sir. आपकी blessings से and with your guidance, I have achieved this. And I make you a promise that I'll not misuse this chair which I've got इतने hard work से. So, sir, thanks to Unacademy also for giving me this opportunity. कि sir मुझे मतलब लिटरली सर आप ना एक वो सर फैन फॉलोइंग होती है ना, एक स्टार होता है उसकी बहुत सारा फैन फॉलोइंग होती है, और फिर मुझे पर्सनली ऐसे मौका मिल गया सर, तो थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Thank you, Bache. God bless you and do well and always rise in life. Have a long,
Thank you, sir.
healthy life. Thank you, beta.
Same
Bye-bye.
to you, sir.
God
Thank you.
bless you. God bless you, beta.
Thank you, sir.